everybody, Chris here. So, are we going to see a jump in the Dogecoin price at the Bitcoin halving? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live stream. We have had some choppiness in the crypto market trading, including Dogecoin. Most of it is on the backs of Bitcoin. That's right, we had more GBTC selling on yesterday, which brought the whole crypto market down. There has been some signs of recovery this morning. Overnight, it's like no volume of trading on Bitcoin. The volume is like dead. But this morning, seen some little signs of life as Bitcoin has recovered. 63K just touched it, while Doge did touch 15 cents. But, I mean, look, Dogecoin is still the 8th largest cryptocurrency. Toncoin did make a run for it, but Doge is holding strong right here, still in number 8. So if we zoom out and we look at the 4-hour chart, we will see that Dogecoin has, we've seen this M pattern play out with the dip all the way back down to 13 cents that we had just about a week ago, but Doge has not retested that. And so Doge is right back again where Dogecoin price was back here on 20th of March. So as Doge just continues to retest some of the same trading prices that Doge has seen before, the sentiment is really mixed. It's really mixed overall. So as we look at Dogecoin's price going forward, still talk about $1 with the break. Are we going to see $1 coming up with the potential surge? I mean, we could see $1.19 for the year. We'll see, with the crypto market hoping to find an additional boost from the upcoming Bitcoin halving as the global markets remain volatile. Meme coins are gearing up for a massive jump. Dogecoin, the biggest meme coin per market cap, showing signs of rapid recovery. That's what we have, but we still have, though. Is Dogecoin dead? Will Dogecoin go up? We see, I know the sentiment is still a little tough overall, but patience is what we're talking about. Patience that we're seeing going forward. We zoom out and we look at the whole 3-year picture back to 2021. We're seeing a Dogecoin price move over the past couple of months that we haven't seen before. So it makes sense to me that Dogecoin would come up to 22 cents and then pull back and retest back at 14. That makes sense to me before moving on up. So that retest is what we're experiencing now. So post-halving, what's going to be happening with Bitcoin? It's a short-term fluctuation that we could see before the halving, and the GBTC again selling. More Bitcoin being sold by GBTC right now this week than's being bought up by BlackRock and Fidelity and ARK. So the outflows are a little bit more. The impact of halving on revenue underscores the need for efficient resource management. We're seeing that with the miners particularly, and how the mining is going to be affecting that overall market. So overall, in the longer term, Bitcoin, I mean, is Bitcoin crashing? Do we see Bitcoin crashing 64, 63K? Is that really a crash with Bitcoin at 63,000? Bitcoin has been up about over 4 years. Bitcoin's up 800%. Anthony Pompliano said on CNBC yesterday. It's an incredible performer. So, and even year to date, Bitcoin is still up 40% year to date, which is better than any other investment thing you could have, except for maybe some of the meme coins you guys are chasing. But that's Bitcoin, and why Bitcoin is being seen as this store of value. And the miners, again, the revenue reward is going to be cut in half. And we talk about the miners because the mining really does drive Bitcoin. Again, I'm going to see, as time goes on, more and more we're going to see some of these miners switch over to Dogecoin. Once Dogecoin starts to hit it big, like we said yesterday, right? If Doge is really being used on X, and we see this huge volume of surge in Dogecoin's price, we're going to have a lot of mining, new mining happening on Dogecoin, which could, again, drive that price up to that dollar mark. So what's next for Dogecoin? We did have failing to hold some 50% Fibonacci support line, but amid the pre-halving correction in the crypto market, because that's what we have now, we do have this supply pressure prolonging the correction trend for majority of major altcoins, including Doge. So again, Doge retesting these levels here that could turn around with an uptick in volume. And that's what we're waiting for, is that volume uptick. And it could be this weekend, Doge Day. And if Doge Day does at least get an uptick of volume, we could see this year have Doge Day be a positive for Dogecoin trading and not a negative. I mean, if there's a lot of shorters out there that are going to be shorting the hell out of Dogecoin, it could be a challenge. But that's what we're looking for with Doge going forward. So we'll see as we go forward. I mean, Dogecoin, we do see that Dogecoin has, a record growth in the last month compared to other memes. Doge has been doing very well. Could Dogecoin extend these gains? Well, I mean, we do see that Dogecoin is extending gains from earlier in the year. So this pullback could be that time to signal a shift in the momentum that we could see for Doge. We see, look, over the past 30 days, Doge is up 4% still, where SHIB is down 25%, and Pepe is down 32%, Trump down 34%, Bone down 34%. So Doge, compared to most of the other major altcoins, or meme coins, has been doing very well. And we also see, look, the weekend price coming up, Bitcoin halving nears. Looks like the Bitcoin halving is actually going to be the night of the 19th, not 420, but 419, at least in the United States. It's going to be 420 in Europe, Asia, other places, but 419 here in the United States, it looks like when the Bitcoin halving is going to be. Dogecoin, one of the most sought after crypto tokens on the market. So we have had a steady price pace trading around 14 cents, currently experiencing pre-halving jitters as the overall crypto market momentum has slowed down in anticipation of the Bitcoin halving event. So again, turn around that volume of trading, particularly for Doge, we could see Doge move up. And here's Daryl. Despite the chop for Dogecoin, the bull flag pattern is still intact. So we do see this possibility of seeing that breakout coming back up to the 20-cent range. The Dogecoin community has already started to echo the sentiment of buying the latest Doge dip, creating a positive price uptrend in the near future. And Daryl also said, like, 81% of all Dogecoin holders are in profit. What are you worried about? Buy the dip. So despite the building pressure on the market, Dogecoin may gain decent upticks after the Bitcoin halving event, which is going to coincide with Doge Day. So that's what we have overall for Dogecoin. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? I mean, is Doge Day going to be a big dud again this year? Or are we going to see? So, I mean, Doge has already been in a downtrend. So let's turn it around and let's get Doge trading back up. Get out on social media and let's talk about Doge. Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.